no one my floor sir you get what is I know so
I say mo nyamia
na ho nyamia nyamia my floor sir we be na gogusam na 20
nyamia unu abi ne da na nsɛmpi
ene nsɛmum na last me ne ayi ba ofio okatachi ne mmade ko hu pa
ala obi ewu ana
obi enwi ne mmade ko hu de kwaku anyu
ala asɛmbe
kwaku nti Ghana form man nti wa wi nyina akire Ghana ma wa form mu me ke ka me ntumi nkan afa wo mu sa still na anso what is in Nigeria oyibo club
what say na no misia wo yo mama oton wa chin
wa kire ho no
ha o se me ka se me kire ho say me born formation me born GPL
ugu ba born formation
me born GPL me akobo EPL English Premier League
ai kwagu
say a gradual process what I say a gradual process it me born GPL me am born EPL
the Ghana form available form tuntum kokko ni na anso
oh there say Ghana de me am man it ha na me sha se o
ti o fa won
wi a na me borrow Nigeria because you know me say
too close
yes ti me wi Nigeria na afa ko Jamaica
Fagusam yeah abraba wo ya mo awo
oh nu eje
me de minu anu asemba me ni ha sense enjana bo wa foot tournament
o da be hore me pe omo sa omo niska
ba kwa kuminu anu me tu for ya team
Messi me fa Jamaica ni ba.
Who ko Jamaica? What na ko fa Jamaica ni?
What say me shase from me mind.
Ghana.
Yes.
Why we won?
Na me fa Ghana ni. Ana me hwe no. Ana masa fa Nigeria ni. Na ma hwe no. Ti we am TS Jamaica. Ono so me
Jahra.
Yes. Ai. Me free Jamaica na. Ma TS landing.
Ayewo.
Oh.
O ko lande
am I sure body no
o ko we lande man
me de mano
dem ko kumile me catch them penfo le kan o say once na won tefutu no ne efunu ko amnem
oh ne se ne ho bon
sa
oh funu no bon friend tu o mo no ho bon oh
efunu no bon
oh
na ngefunu e spray
na sa na funu de ho bon nya once na be de wachi
yo be de me tufu no afa me nua no wu kwaku
unu ti se man bi na wo pa meti mo mana credit meti mo mana credit bi aba
me Nigeria ni mempe
omofo
o ya me de mini
omofo papa
e kan Nigeria ni ba nkwan ka me da sa
omofo rough
ai e na onya bi na wo we
na me yene dey
ka yale o
oh forget
e de la for yale o gono syphilis
yi candidiatis forget
menstrual pains
oh I don't say yale. And also I can't come into na me drop yale. Ani a monthly dues.
Kwalesi.
Monthly dues.
Yo, me dem 2 for 20 abi dem nyan kwaku. Okatache wa han man ka ma men kasa nkono na beka.
Oh, sa kwa nje.
Nji hweye. Ene ma be na
forget 90.
Yo, we dey 90 dey 90 dem me 2
forget 90.
Me nuanon. Asemba me ni ha.
Forget.
Na dey wu tue. O so san ko fa London ba.
Ata.
Unsu ho me boa.
I
don't get you, Savannah Frank. You.
Oh, Dad. Yeah, good afternoon. I'm doing good, Dad. Oh, she's fine. I'm home. Oh, we are very fine, Dad. Today is Saturday, so she didn't go to school. We are all fine. Oh, okay. Okay, Daddy. Okay. I paid the fees to last month. But Daddy, the house over there where we stay, that place, You should call your people so that they will be fast and finished. I'm no more interested in that place again. I want us to move out. Oh, Daddy. Oh, wow. They are done with the new place. Oh, okay. Wow. Then tomorrow now we'll pack and go there, Daddy. I'm very happy about it. Yeah, everyone is fine. Oh, Angela said, she once said I should call, and I said, oh, maybe in the evening. So I plan calling you people in there. Yeah, give the phone to her. Hello, Mommy. Yeah, Mommy, we are fine. We are very fine, Mommy. Angela is doing good. She's not here right now with me, but oh yes. I paid it. Yeah, Mom, I was telling Dad that we're supposed to move to the new house, and he said the man called him, said they are done. So in the evening, I'll just let Angela be aware so that by tomorrow morning we can pack and go to the new house. Where we've rented and we stay, you know, it looks like that place is too noisy, and she has been complaining of the steady, so we have to move out from there. Okay, Mom. Mom, thank you so much. Abi, you are bringing my laptop. Okay.
Oh, I like this. I think I'm going to get this one. Yeah. Baby!
Yes!
Please, can you get me some water?
Okay, I'm bringing it.
Yeah. I'm waiting. Oh, this is good. Oh, thank you, baby.
Oh.
Please help me to open my nose.
Oh, don't worry. You're my queen, you know.
Oh, baby, I love this gown. I want you to get it for me.
Don't worry.
I really need it for the Valentine.
Don't worry. Meton.
Oh.
But this
Can
one,
you see?
is it original?
Yes, of course.
Are you sure?
You can get it in the mall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
And I also love you to get me some pizza too.
Pizza?
From Accra Mall, yes.
Oh!
You know, it's been long since I came. You've not gotten anything good for me.
Give me so something.
I just need some pizza, chicken, ice cream. You know?
When you put your hands somewhere there, I want to know some style.
Oh, so you like it? My baby.
My darling.
But baby, I want to ask you something.
What?
When are we going to move out of this place?
Baby, we'll move.
You promised you were going to leave this place.
We'll move.
When?
End of this month, we'll move.
You know your landlady and your neighbors, they even asked me to clean and sweep the compound.
What?
Yes, and you know I don't do that in my father's house. I can't do it.
No. I'm not supposed to do it.
This place is too local for me.
Baby,
I need us to leave this place.
See, relax. I promise you, we are going to move from here, okay?
Are you sure? You've been promising me since.
Sure.
Are you sure?
Promises are baby.
So when are we going to leave? Move out of this place?
When are we going to move?
Yeah.
You're moving.
You know I love you. I can never leave you. I don't want to leave you.
Me too, I'll not leave you. Sure. Now Nigeria know what you have me do, man. Can leave you? I'll not leave you because
so are
I
you
love
going to get the pizza for me?
Yes. Or you want spring roll or samosa?
No, just pizza and ice cream.
We have chicken pizza. We have sausage pizza. We have
anyone, wherever.
We have no, like let me name it.
Okay.
We have chicken pizza. We have sausage pizza. We have beans pizza.
Okay.
Beans pizza.
Really?
Very sweet.
Have you taken?
I know. I'm gonna go.
Wow. So when are you going to get it for me?
Oh, if you want it, I can call my small boy.
Yes, call, please call. I can't wait. I can't wait to taste it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, give me your phone. Akwesi. How on idea again now? Now I make a cat also. Say I saw in them.
With ice cream.
My one arm and I saw in them for Akwesi ice cream. Aha. My one arm and I saw in them too. Oh, but for condom you be why? Also open more. I have a fetch you. Okay, Martin. Aha, oh, but want to cook nibi account. Martin, aha. Amela Hukuno. Wait, what? Aha, no pay Sobolobolo.
What's Sobo?
Aha, I say Fanta. See, I didn't hear it. I say Fanta, aha. Do not want pay any be. It's only just a good one. Now I say from sending a bed chili, why? Okay, into me. Okay.
Are they bringing it?
Okay. They are bringing it. Don't worry. Don't bring it. You eat pizza, okay? Don't worry with how do you call it?
With ice cream.
Ice cream and then Fanta, right?
Yes.
So no problem.
Okay. With turkey.
Don't worry.
Chicken.
With turkey.
You know since I came, you've not spoiled me like this.
Turkey, Timo.
Turkey.
Turkey.
Yeah.
Turkey. You don't worry. That's
how
go
it's called in Nigeria.
In Nigeria. No, let's go inside. Okay. Let's go inside.
Baby. You know that's why
I love you too.
I love you. I love you too.
Oh, I love you too. Wait till I'm my Jimmy cry. I didn't come back.
Come, let me go and spoil you.
You guys spoil me.
Nana, where's your sister?
My sister, sit down. What's up?
Where is she? I'm in trouble.
Have you killed
Just
someone?
Just go ahead for me. I want to tell you something.
Have you killed someone?
No. It's not about that.
AC now.
Yes, I'm coming.
Please, your friend is in.
Okay, I'm coming. Hey, Angie. Welcome, my dear.
AC, hurry up. Like, no, I'm in trouble. Like a very big trouble. I don't know what to do.
What is it?
It's Kweku Sam again.
Kweku Sam? He has done what this time? I hope you people have kids.
No. Like, I don't know how to say it. Like, I'm pregnant for him.
Huh? What?
And I'm in trouble. My parents want.
Wait. What happened? How come?
Is your dad away?
No.
What of your mom?
No.
So apart from us, no one is away.
No.
What are you going to do about it?
I don't know. That's how I've come to you.
But how? Wait, you told me that you don't have anything to do with this Kokusa, this useless boy. Since when? How? How did he have? This whole issue is just bothering my head.
Abu!
Hey, Abu Sam. Hey, you want to?
Abu! Asamabo.
Hey, I got some.
Asamaba. Hey, again now. They don't know. Check what my friend know. Get on him. Oh. Mas é esse não. Abu wa mamia. Miu.
Ade mo.
Misrau.
Ade mo.
Misrau bo me se 3 million.
Ko ko sa ni yon se mai du show. Ni bia o. Ni bia ni ho.
Oh, Abu we.
O bia mai. I'm here to you. Bia, you papa go come by.
Oh, Abu manyasa. Manyasa. Now them no kware there.
Sir, we will say me no wa. We go be what has here can be jam. So ni. Nti we ni. The be ya call na yimle ba fie no dem.
Oh, Abu say nyumre. Anyumre.
Yimle ya se soko. Se soko.
Mr. Sis me ba wa. Misrau. Wa moamia miwu. Why? So say nyumre dia mate. Ele me ko fe nyumre meba. Why? Me meba fi.
What about you?
That's it.
Is it say so black?
Meba. Why? That's it. Oh, that's it.
Rabba na catch you say. Oh, sorry, we give you our mom. We from Salman and Fako Shoba. He was when I was on your Bible. Because my girlfriend come here, man. Sorry.
When I'm thinking of, I don't know what to do. Like,
wait.
Tell me what to do. No. Kweku Sam.
Yeah.
Yes, I did it.
So wait. Now you're in tertiary. What do you want to do about it?
I don't know. That's why I've come to you so you give me some idea.
I don't. What idea? You have to.
Oh God.
Terminate what? Because shut up, you're a small girl. They are talking. Big girls are talking. You are putting your mouth.
Oh, she's worried.
I say shut up. Worried about what?
Just give me
So
something.
My dear. How many months is the pregnancy?
2 months. 2 months.
2 months.
Because of that.
This is what I do.
Listen, so what should I do? What should I do now?
So, have you told some about it? Wait, you're in tertiary, so what? Are you going to give birth?
Yes,
now?
yes, I think so. I think so. I
So,
want to do that.
how?
You want to give birth? What of your father?
I don't know. That's why I
He will
came
throw you
to...
out of the house, so.
I know.
And I'm not sure that
My
person
sister
is even ready to accept.
I
Wait,
don't know.
she has to give birth because she's already in tertiary.
How?
But the way that useless Kwakusam. What? My dear. Oh my God, come on. So what did he say? What is his intention about it?
He didn't say anything. I don't
He
know.
didn't say what?
I think he's not ready to be a father, but I don't know. I don't
For me, let me change. Come now. You don't trust me, eh? Don't worry, eh? Don't worry. Let me change my dress.
It's okay now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
all right.
Yep.
Let me tell you something.
What is it?
Bro, it's not right. I'm a small girl. Big girls now, Momo, you are going around messing up just like that.
Mind your own business.
Really? It's up to you.
Listen, I'm very young.
I'm coming. I'm changing now.
If you don't take it, you don't take it.
Has come. I've been waiting for so long.
Beauty.
Yes, baby.
How are you doing?
As you can see, I'm just dressing up. I'm making up.
Where are you going?
Must I want to go out before doing makeup or dressing up? I'm doing it for my husband.
Hey.
Yes, I want to look good for you.
You know something? I'm going out to go and check 1 or 2 things. So just take this money and then prepare some meal for me. Okay, when I'm back. Okay.
What is this? How much is there?
Just take the money. Just take the money. Oh. Huh? So I'll be back. Okay.
Five CDs. Hey, this man, wonders shall never end. Beauty. 5 CDs. No problem. Go and come, oh. I'm waiting for you. Never see anything. They give me 5 CDs to cook. Go and come. I'm here, oh. I'm waiting for you. New day has come.
Abu kura wacho. Eska kura mami na wa dey. Oh, that's sembe kura.
Hey, Kwakusam.
Oh, unia.
Kwakusam.
Na uska kura o mami na mama transa. Adey.
Wa woni me dima me ye. Na wo ma me pressure. Where say me ko?
Me ko me more pressure. Me no waka sem di da. E wo wadwuma mo say. Me hia mo 300.
Wonim se nyam ntie ba zan kama kofie.
Se me aware.
Eh, wo nti na maba ntia bo tena ma me na wonim se sika wo nti na maba. E no ma me pressure. Where say me ko?
Settle enko settle.
Nti me sika ma da be no do.
Ending me do sika ma wo.
Wo se da bay.
Me se ending me do sika be ma wo.
Wo se da bay.
Ending
3. Me sika se me fan dia agro. Se me sika na ma wo. Na wan fan ba wo. So nim da metimi ye. Wo se man tu ya wo.
Ending me do sika be ma wo. O aya wo kasa wo, wo kasa. Se me ending me do sika be ma wo.
Ya gba me sika be ko.
Ah, wo de kwasa yi.
Unya ne woni kokko sa de.
Me jai wo fo me.
Unya ne dis kama na osa na kasa. Wo woni sika me na you go pay say wo ma osa kasa.
Eh, na mo ha chiri me.
One.
Na mo ha chiri me, ne de bia na mo ha chiri me. What here?
Well, wo dia gba me sika be ko. Wo pay busia wo ma osa kasa too much.
I don't want to be anxious.
Miss Alphabet so.
Ah,
what's a man to be a Tilemacano? What's a man to yell? If I don't from me on my book,
and the Miduska Mao.
Okay. Welcome.
Miss Andy Miduska Mao,
and I may ban from me on them to me. Me book homo. Okay.
Over Boomicum. Not a mother, Mona Trimio. And I made a man, my Bobby Sao, and to the Boomcum. Now, Massa, now, Mona Trimio. Just a Mona Trim, I couldn't get what I say. Eh, and I'm watching. I made a Bobby Sao. Now, just over where I found this room. Now, no, Angela, they couldn't scale command. That's a 1 year. You put beyond ye. Ah, mother, all right. Unia, and your own. Aha, I found a discount in me. Why? Philadelphia. Anna, I can say of us. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Ah, do it, Martin. Bye. Ah, you need some background.